ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? How do we use ChatGPT? Why do we need ChatGPT? Or will ChatGPT, OpenAI, artificial intelligence replace me? Will I be like... That are questions which I ask myself, and my name is Reinhard, and today I would like you to subscribe to my channel. How to achieve this? Let's ask ChatGPT. Return. Getting viewers to subscribe requires engaging content, effective promotion, so please subscribe anyhow without this. I think it works also this way. Today I want to show you how to start. First and foremost, you have to get to the correct site and you have to register yourself. It will not work without that one. So let's straight dive into it. First of all, let's open the link. It's openai.com. And on the start page, there is a ChatGPT. You just click Try ChatGPT. And then you have the login screen where you can log in if you have already an account or you sign up. You have several possibilities here. You can register via email address if you don't want to have your account linked to something else. But it can also be as simple that you use your existing Google account or your Microsoft account. In my case, I use the Google account. Now looking at this overview, it is very simple to start with. You already can see on the left upper end, you can create a new chat. Let's open a new chat, and down here we can send first message. You can remember at the beginning of the video I asked what is ChatGPT, how to use ChatGPT, and why or do we use ChatGPT. Why not ask ChatGPT itself? So let's go on. We type in what is ChatGPT. Maybe we could even ask what are you, and it's generating. To summarize in my way, it's someone you can have a conversation with. You type something in, you get a response, and it's really in a way like a normal conversation. That's for me the simple explanation. For whatever you use it, in the background a lot of data is used, it's fed with a lot of information. It will generate a lot of response based on this. It's impressive what can be done. Also leave a comment if you use it already or if there's something in particular you are interested in which I can share. First question answered, right? Second question, how to use you. You see already the result. You can start also to click on stop generate. Then it will stop. Maybe sometimes it's misleading, not the correct answer. Yep, and that's it. I want to have a shorter answer. That's for me too long, right? Shorter, please. It should be understanding this. Oh, right. You see the generation? Yes, that's short. Choose a platform or interface, input your prompt or question, receive my text-based response, refine and iterate as needed, continue the conversation with follow-up prompts, use my responses critically, and verify information from trusted sources. So don't simple copy-paste for your next exam or when you have to do some homework at school. Because at the end of the day, your teachers might also be, quite smart and put it in as well, and maybe they get the same answer. I've not a good idea yet about video title for this. So I will ask ChatGPT, can you propose me a video title for my video about how to use ChatGPT? Can you propose me an engaging video title? So here are some engaging video title ideas. A lot of recommendations. Quite long, shorter. I don't want such long titles. Shorter ones. Frankly speaking, I have already something in mind. Here I might not use this one. How to use ChatGPT? That's what I want to answer today. But I think you can see ChatGPT is helpful even for this video. And imagine how ChatGPT in future can help you. Integrating it into workflows. It can help you at work to be more efficient, effective in your private life. I can think about so many use cases where I use it already and I will continue to use it. I want to share these use cases with you, to give you an idea, to think a bit further what can be done in addition, how it can be integrated. That is my final conclusion for this video today. Try ChatGPT out. Let me know in the comments what is your experience, where do you use it, what do you want to see next. So see you in the next one then. Bye bye.